Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this session we are going to discuss about intelligent operations and maintenance system for offshore wind farms in applications of industrial AI. So let's discuss. The offshore wind farm is nothing but it is a wind power industry which has developed rapidly over the past 10 years, and it is increasingly in the competition market, and in the wind power market it puts forward higher requirements for the performance of wind turbines. And the wind power equipment manufacturers, it has made a lot of efforts to reducing the cost, and the reducing the cost, it is of wind turbine manufacturing, it is facing more and more technical challenges. At present, the operations and maintenance of management in the wind turbines, where the diagnosis and the health management, it is carried out, some health management of turbines are still not perfect. So this efficiency of operations and maintenance of management, they needs to be greatly improved. So that's why they are using some AI technologies, so which will provide a great space for the development of intelligent wind turbine system. So based on the actual situation in the wind field, the difficulties of the development and the maintenance system, it lie in the point they listed below. Okay, so the first one is wind resources are random. So which is nothing but it is the variation of wind speed and the wind directions and wind energy. That energy density are a dynamic and non-linear process. It accurate some prediction of wind speed, and the power has always been in a hot topic in academic. And the second point is the location of wind farms are mostly in remote areas, and the maintenance work is complex, and also the special equipment is often used. And the third one is it is influenced by the randoms of wind resources, and some state and some yards of different turbines drive system, it is also quite different. So it expect the traditional preventive maintenance, it is difficult to perform in regard to wind field of the operation maintenance. So based on the current status of wind power development and the difficulties, so the operation and the maintenance, it provides some key functions of operations and maintenance of the whole wind farm are as follows. So the first key function is the health management of turbine, the key components and the accuracy and the transparency of precision. And the second function is the health trend analysis and residual life prediction of turbines and key components. And the third one is the implementation and evaluation of the power and generation performance and of turbines. And the fourth one is it is the dispatch management of wind farms based on the wind resource prediction technologies. And the fifth one is it is the optimizing of wind farm operations, and it is performance prediction of the wind turbines and the key components. So these are the key functions of intelligent operation and maintenance in wind farms. And this is the design for the intelligent wind field functions based on the CPS 5C architectures. So in this 5C architecture in the wind field, it is classified into different levels. It is a multiple levels. So mainly the data comes from the supervisory control and the data acquisition system, and it is monitoring by the condition system. So these information sources will provide some environmental informations and work condition information and or control parameters or state parameters, etc. So other data sources are included some power grid dispatching informations, and personal management and maintenance, etc. Okay, so the first level is smart connection, and the second one is DTI level, and third one is cyber level, and fourth one is cognition level, and fifth one is configuration level. So in this smart connection, the SE, ADA and CMS data are maintenance, and it recording the some data for their process. And the second one is DTI level. It is represent some performance of the degradation assessment and fault localization and diagnosis process. So in each component of health features and prognostics are monitoring in the DTI level. And the third level is cyber level. So in this cyber level, the time machines for turbine health modeling and memory. So it is calculating by the peer-to-peer comparison. And the fourth level is cognition level. So in this cognition level, they impact the assessment of performance or performance in the machine's degradations. And it is also the collaborative diagnosis and the root causes analysis and the rate prediction. It is everything happens and controlled in the cognition level. And the fifth one is configuration level. So in this configuration level, it is maintain the overall productivity and the utilizing of the turbine fleets, and it is also the collaborative maintenance and the scheduling the optimization. So this is the 5C architecture in the wind field intelligent process, and this is the assessment. These are the reference. Thank you.